this. Hey guys, it's San and welcome back to my channel. So let's get into the video and let me show you what we're doing today. I found these at Forever 21 and I was like, I don't even get why they're here because this doesn't seem like a Forever 21 type of thing. If you watch Nerdy Crafter, then you have seen her do a bunch of these. Like, I don't think she did these exact ones, but they're basically like these little like Japanese
like gummy making kit things.
Like, okay, did I already say that these were 50% off at Forever 21? So yeah, I thought I'd give them a try. It's not like a super crafty, artsy video, but Nerdy Crafter does it, and she's got crafter in her title. So yeah, so we're gonna try these. I don't know if they'll be any good or if it'll just be an interesting experiment, but this one, like this one, looks cute, you know? And this one just looks like weird.
But this one is like ramen, like I'm making gummy ramen noodles.
So yeah, so let's get into the making it part. I'm gonna start with the little donuts.
Because donuts.
So let's open it. Oh, this is cute. It comes in this little package. Oh, look, Ruby came to join. Let's show Ruby. Hi, bud. Ooh. Hi. Hi, bud. What's up? What am I doing? Okay. So, oh, she hears the sound. She likes this is her treat sound. Hi. Then, once I opened it, there's this little package with a little like stencils on it. Stencils. They're not stencils, they're molds. Okay, we got a little spoon. Okay, we have a little baggie. And then we got these little thingies.
Oh, sprinkles.
Oh, these are cute little sprinkles. Okay. So we got little packets of things. Don't know what they're about yet. It says to cut this. Should I cut this or just leave it? Fill the round depression with water, then add the music note one. So that's this one.
Then add powder from the yellow packet.
I don't know if this is the best setup. Still like getting this whole YouTube thing down and like trying to figure out like good setups, and I don't think I found one yet.
Okay, so don't. I might need scissors. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna get scissors.
Got my scissors. Okay. Water goes in this part. Add powder from the yellow packet. Is this yellow? This doesn't look yellow. Custard dough powder? I mean, that's what I'm making. But, okay, this is step one. This isn't supposed to be so complicated. Unless I lost something. But I don't think I could have lost something at this point. I'm nervous. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I hope this isn't messy. smells good. That's what it's looking like so far. Okay, it's like coming together a little bit more, but it still like has powdery parts on the edges. All right, I'm gonna use my hand. Ooh, it's weird. I can't tell if this is like a gummy or if it's like, right into 2 equal parts. Like little chicken nuggets.
After you squeeze it in here. Wait, what's the point of rolling it into pieces? I don't get it.
I made a donut. I don't know what to do with this one. It's so weird. I don't think it's like mixed together right. Okay. Then the brown packet. This is brown.
The other one's brown too.
This one's chocolate. It smells like chocolate.
This one just smells so good.
I made donuts. I want to. Ow. Even though I don't know how to do that without ruining it. It looks so good, actually. Like, that's legit. It's okay. I'm gonna show you my donuts. Make vanilla sauce. Add powder from blue packet to triangle cup of water. Oh, I get. Okay. This is like a measured cup. Okay, this is our frosting thing. The whole thing. That's a lot. Okay, so tiny. I spilled. I did it. Right. Whoa, some of it like disappears. Alright, I'm just gonna decorate as I go. Let's make a chocolate strawberry one. I'm gonna hold it up so you can see. Yum. And powder from the black packet to the music one. So we use the music one again. Oh, so this bag is supposed to be like a piping bag?
That sounds like a lot of work. My spoon method has been working pretty good for me. I'm gonna stick with that.
be so difficult to put into the piping bag and do that. Like, no. I'll just use it like this. Okay, let's find out what these crumbs are. It's literally called crumbs. It's like chocolate crumbs. I don't know. It's like cookie crumbs or something. Well, they're not the prettiest things in the world. I don't know. So I'm gonna try the least messy looking. This one is my custard flavored donut with chocolate sauce and sprinkles. The little bit of crumbs. It's weird. Alright, I'm gonna try chocolate strawberry one. Oh, that's like heavy. I added too much stuff. Yeah, they're interesting. It was kind of fun.
I'll probably eat the rest of them.
So, since this took kind of a while, this one seems like weird. This one's ramen noodles with like egg rolls or something like that. I don't know. So that's gonna be a part 2. So sorry to do that to you, but it's gonna be part 2. So that will be up pretty shortly because otherwise this video would be like super long and I want to be able to show all the parts of this one. So stick around, subscribe so you get a notification when I get this one up. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you think. So thank you for watching. Bye.